Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a tour of the Southern Coastal Highway project, and this is where the highway begins. It begins at the Harborview Bridge and will go all the way to Portland. It's going to be a 4-lane dual carriageway highway at certain sections. Certain sections it will be just 2 lanes. But this section between the Harborview Bridge and the Yallus Bridge is going to be 4 lanes. So this is officially now the start of the Southern Coastal Highway. This road was already 4 lanes, so they don't need to do any expansion work on this side of the road. So the highway is being built in phases. So the first phase, it will be from the Harborview Bridge to the Yallus Bridge. That's phase 1A. So that's the phase we're going to take a look at now. And it's going to be 4 lanes. Between the Harborview Bridge and 11 miles in Bull Bay, the highway is going to run along the existing roadway. From 11 miles to the to the Suncoast Adventure Park, the highway is going to take a new alignment. So a new 4-lane road has been built over the hill. And then from the Suncoast Adventure Park to just outside Grandspen, it will run along the existing roadway. However, it's going to bypass Grandspen, and a new alignment is going to be built to take it from just outside Grandspen to Albion. Then when the highway gets back to Albion, it runs along the existing roadway to the Yallus Bridge. So here now you can see, remember this section now is going to be 4 lanes, and between Harborview Bridge and 11 miles Bull Bay, which is the actual road we're on now, we're going to tour that section. It's going to be 4 lanes running along the existing roadway. So here you can see the roadway being expanded because the existing road is 2 lanes and it's now going to become 4 lanes, and it's going to have the concrete barricade in the middle. So there you can see the work being done to expand the highway to 4 lanes. In some cases they'll expand it on the left, in some cases they'll do it on the right. So they had to remove over 600 structures to build this highway, because some of the structures were built right against the road and they had to demolish them, or in some cases just move the fence back. So there you can see the Caribbean Sea on the right, and you can see the work going on to expand the roadway to 4 lanes. Now this highway is going to be a game changer for this side of the island. Never before has this side of the island seen roads like this. Now look at this. Seriously, this must be a taxi. Look at this foolishness. Boy, unbelievable. The road is under construction, and these drivers will not even just wait 1 extra minute. They have to be driving on the other side of the road. Sometimes you have to see it to believe it, honestly. And then, anyway. Okay, so there you can see the road work going on the right. They actually look like they're going to raise the road, because the new lanes on the right are higher than the existing roadway. So we are driving on a section between Harborview and 11 miles Bull Bay. We're actually in Bull Bay, but this section of Bull Bay is in St. Andrew. We haven't reached the border with St. Thomas yet. There you can see the road work being done. I'm going to drive slow so you can see it. And if you notice, if you look at on the right, those gates or fences, the concrete fences, they're new. So you can see that they were recently done, because whatever structure was against the road had to be removed. Okay, straight ahead, the concrete wall is another example. Right, so as we were saying, never before has this side of the island seen roads of this quality. It's definitely going to be a game changer. It's going to put this side of the island, meaning Bulby, or this side of St. Andrews, St. Thomas, and Portland, back on the map. Portland actually has a highway that goes there called the Northern Coastal Highway, but that runs from Negril to Portland on the north coast of Jamaica. So to get to Portland from the south coast or from Kingston, this is the route you can now take. This highway, the road always existed, but the road quality was not very good. But this, now they have a highway quality road taking you from Kingston to Portland, going through St. Thomas. That metal barricade in the road probably has to do with some security checkpoint. There are quite a few states of emergency around Jamaica. Okay, now at this section of the road, the new highway is being built on the new lanes are being built on the left. And this area is going to benefit a great deal because the highway is running along the existing roadway. Now, in an area like Grandspan, where the highway is going to bypass that area because a new road is being built to bypass Grandspan. So that area is going to see a slowdown in traffic. They're not going to get the normal amount of traffic, and that usually leads to unfortunate side effects of the highway, meaning you no longer have 50 cars passing through there every hour. So the stores along the roadway are going to see a decline in sales. It's very unfortunate, but it's one of those things. And persons in Grandspan have already complained about the economic hardships they're experiencing because the bypass for Grandspan is actually open. You can drive on it, so you no longer have to drive through Grandspan. You actually have to exit the highway to get to Grandspan now. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.